Checking oil level on the ishift with the vertical DPF. So you try to get the camera where I can. Eyesight is right there, and you can see the oil level and the condition of the oil. Volvo recommends 500,000 oil change, oil and filter. We do it at 400, maybe 450. If you do it yourself, make sure you look there's no chunks or anything brass in there, then bringing more attention to take care of it before it's too late. But yeah, that right there is how you check the oil level on the ishift. So to the right of the DPF. I'll show you one more. This one's kind of hard to show it on the camera for some reason. So this is another view. This oil level is a little low. You want to have a bubble up top, but not this much. So that's a quick check on ishift oil level. This is for the vertical DPFs. They have the vertical DPFs up until 2018. Some 2018 and 19 they have the horizontal ones, which you have to go into the truck to check. The older trucks, you can check it right here. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.